Hello YouTube, Reseller Mom here. Welcome to today's video. Today is about using Pirate Ship to have them schedule a UPS pickup for your Amazon FBA orders. And I actually did this video once before, but I tried to put in some background music and it was very dominating in the video and you could hardly hear my voice. So, re-recording this video without background music, and I will attempt that again another day. So, if you haven't heard of Pirate Ship is a third-party discount shipping site. I have two of them that I use. I use Pirate Ship and I also use Sendle. Well, one of the new features with Pirate Ship is they now allow you to schedule a UPS pickup, and for $3.80, which is super cheap, and they'll come get your FBA orders right from your door. So I have been using this now for about a couple of weeks, and it is really good and really cheap. So I wanted to walk through how to do that. And honestly, for $3.80, it takes me at least 20 minutes to drive to the UPS store and drop something off. And we're not talking about, unloading, reloading. Just the drive time alone is 20 minutes, plus all of the lifting, loading, unloading, bringing into the store. And during the winter months when there might be rain or snow, $3.80 is an amazing rate and well worth your time. If I book outside of the UPS, outside of this way on the UPS site, it costs me between $6.80, I think it's 85 cents, to $7. Sometimes during the holidays, upwards of $8 to $10 for a pickup. So this is a huge discount. This is going to be a quick video. We're just going to walk through really how to do it. Pirate Ship is a free site to get an account with. There's no monthly membership or anything like that. I also use Pirate Ship and Sendle to ship, sometimes eBay items or my own personal Christmas shopping items. When we're shipping gifts out for the holidays, it's just nice to have a couple different sites available, because sometimes you get those oddball things and it might be a little cheaper on one site or another, so it's good to shop around a little bit. So you create a free account, and then you're going to go into your settings and you're going to need to link a debit card, or I think you can link like a checking account as well. I just put my standard credit card that I use for most of my work stuff, link it up so that when they bill, it automatically gets charged. I like to set all of those things up, and I also keep track of them, so in case if my credit card gets renewed or hacked or whatnot, I can easily go in and remember which ones I need to change out real quick. So this is the default page, and real easy. It's on the default page, but if you're not on the default page, you click the little ship icon. Pirate Ship's so fun. It's all pirate based, of course, so they like to talk like a pirate. It's pretty fun. You're going to click this middle button, schedule a pickup, and then on the next screen, you're going to hit request a pickup, and then you get this page. Pickup location is going to be your address. You select a date, the location. They've got a drop-down menu of some options here. Most of mine are going to be UPS ground, so I don't really change this. I don't change the package shape, but you may have something else going on. So if these apply to you, go ahead and change them. Then I need to fill in. So all of this will be standard from my last shipping, and it's going to select the current day. So if I wanted to pick up the next day, which actually happened in this scenario, I was doing this video on the 28th and I needed to be picked up on the 29th. So I had to go in and cancel this and re-request a pickup for the 29th. So the only things I really change here is the date, the number of packages, and the total weight. Now, for the number of packages and the total weight, if you're not spot on, that's okay. Like sometimes I have 6 FBA boxes and then we get another shipment ready and I've got 3 more to it. They're okay with that, but it needs to be relatively close because they're kind of going off of how much truck room they have. So, if you went from 2 boxes to 82 boxes, that would be something a little bit different, but don't get too hung up on this. I wouldn't go out there and count the weight. I just kind of look, okay, I've got about 6 boxes and they're about 20 pounds a piece, so I've got about 180 pounds. I'm not going to go out there and tally up every single pound. It's a general idea so that they know how much truck room they're going to need, and if they need to send a second truck. If you have a ton, you may need a dedicated truck. And if you do that, then congratulations. I'm not quite there yet. All right, so these will be standard, filled in with my address, today's date, and I just leave it at the front door, and then I usually just pop in the number of packages and the weight, change the date if I need it for the next day, and it says your account will be billed $3.80, and you hit the request pickup. That's it. I mean, really, I can schedule a pickup in probably less than 60 seconds. So I did need to go and cancel that one for the Thursday and schedule the pickup for Friday. So you can see here, it was really easy. You'll get a little cancel button. You just hit that cancel button, and in 2 seconds it's canceled. And then I just hit request pickup, change the date, and re-entered 250 pounds, 10 boxes, and I was good to go. So you can schedule this out, which is really handy, because as we get busier into the Q4 season, I might just standard pick up, on Mondays and Fridays or whatever days you're going to have stuff to go out, and just have those already lined up. Now, what I did want to say though is, in the Q4 season, I usually have a lot of FBM orders, and if you are doing fulfilled by merchant with Amazon, you will get a price tag, not a price tag, get a shipping tag for those packages. And on the UPS site, you can schedule a free pickup with that tracking code, and they'll pick up your other boxes too. So you just I just enter in one of my codes for FBM. You don't have to scan them all again. Scan one of the codes so I get a free pickup, and then in the drop-down menus on how many boxes and whatnot, I'll put all of the information there. I'll put, 12 boxes and relatively how many pounds or whatnot on the UPS side. So this is great if you don't have any FBM shipments going out and you want to have a pickup and you want to pay the least amount. I hope that makes sense. That is it, folks. If this helps you out, please subscribe, or at least give this video a thumbs up if I've saved you a little bit of money, or at least given you another option. The UPS site is a little bit harder to use, but not by much. Pirate Ship just makes everything so easy to use. All right, I hope this helped you out. I will talk to you guys later. Take care.